Welcome to my channel Swiftlearn. This tutorial I will show you how to create tab in PowerPoint presentation. If you don't subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Start all program, expand the office, expand the PowerPoint 2013. Create a blank PowerPoint presentation. This is the first slide. I just remove everything from the slide and newly I will add chef. I'm gonna adding a chef. Adding and designing chef to make tab in pptx. Change the back color and outline no line. Back color is I just select back color. This is a bit yellow. Okay, now it's looking nice. This back color, this shape will be used as background. Okay, now I'm gonna adding one shape. This shape will be used as tab in first slide. Outline no line, and just copy this shape and paste. Text is red. Shape 1 and add one more shape, two more shape. I will use three tab, red, green and blue. In that case I just added three shape. Change the text second shape for green and third shape for blue. Okay, now add one more shape. Change the back color red and green. Change the back color green, yes, and third shape's back color is blue for what it's used for as blue tab. Okay, now it's done. Now I'm adding one more shape for body. This shape will be used as body. Okay, outline no line. If you keep outline, it will look like separated from the tab shape. Okay, now change the back color of the shape. Back color is red because this is a fast slide and fast tab. Okay, now I'm gonna add an animation. First of all, adding some text as this is a red page. Change the font text. Yes, this is the red page. Now I'm adding animation for this shape. This is red page. This shape I will add the animation in the shape, and from top effect option from top, and animation duration 125 seconds, and start with previous. Okay, now I just copy this slide and paste in the bottom of this slide as a new slide, second slide and third slide, because first one is for red and second one is for green and third one is for blue. Now so second shape is for green, so change the back color and text as well. Text is this is a green page. Okay, now second one is done. Now third one is for blue, so change the shape blue. Shape is blue. Okay, yes, and the text, change the text also. Text is blue. Yes, okay, now save. Just saving this presentation in the desktop as a file name tab creation tutorial. Presentation name is tab creation tutorial. Okay, this is blue page. I have saved it. Now in the first slide, this is second slide, and this is third slide. Now adding hyperlink in number 1 slide for green and blue. This is a first slide, so I have to add hyperlink for green and blue. So green in the second slide, so click OK. Green, yes, and for blue for third slide, adding hyperlink in number 1 slide for green and blue. So this is blue, add hyperlink, and just select slide 3. Yes, okay, now it's added. Now in the second slide, green is default slide, so red, add hyperlink in red and blue. Red, and in the blue add hyperlink. Blue is third slide, so select the slide 3. Okay, now in the third slide, adding hyperlink in number 3 slide for red and green. Add hyperlink, red in first slide and green in the second slide. Okay, now it's added. Now just slideshow. Okay, slideshow. Yes, this is tab 1 and tab 2 green. Just select the green tab. Green, yes, this is green page, and blue, this is blue page. Very nice, and you can understand it easily. Okay, all are working fine. Now I'm going to place this menu in the bottom side of this page. Just drag this menu and place it in the bottom, and move this page body in the top. Okay, now place it perfectly. Yes, this is done in the first slide, and I also place the menu in the bottom side in next slide, I mean slide 2. Yes, okay, it's also done. I just place this menu in the bottom side in the slide 2. Okay, third slide, no, I'll keep same in third slide. I just show the menu in the bottom side in first and second slide. Okay, now animation, I should change the effect option in the animation of the body from bottom. Yes, in the next slide also same, from bottom. Yes, now okay, now it's fixed. Okay, slideshow, go to slideshow. Yes, yes, it's now working fine. Click on green. Yes, in the green tab. Okay, you can place this menu in the bottom right or middle bottom, or top right, middle top right side, any side you can place this menu to make tab perfect, to make tab nice. Now I'm gonna place this menu in the left side of this page. So I just drag this menu in the left side. Okay, red and green, I just place this menu green in the left side. Yes, but one thing, the text is split because the text is a bit bigger than the space, so you can rotate in 90 degree. I just rotate this blue menu in the 90 degree, and the green also I will change this green menu. I'll rotate this green menu in 90 degree, so that this is being perfect. But in the red menu I will keep same in red menu, so that you can understand. If you want, you can rotate 90 degree, or you can keep same. Okay, now it's fine. Yes, you can rotate red menu in 90 degree. Change the body. Okay, now effect option from left, yes, and resize this body. Yes, now it's perfect. See that slideshow red from bottom, this is from left, green, and blue from top. Select blue, yes, now it's working fine. Thank you.